All right, guys. So the same process as last night. We're gonna go through and we're gonna just pick our two random winners from tonight. We're gonna filter duplicate users, include replies to comments, filter pressure analysis, and we're gonna get our comments. Now that Robert Noah Mobileman and it was Michael also, they already won. So if their names come up, obviously they're not gonna win again. So we'll go. So Robert has already won. Robert again. Don Ho is one of the winners. And Michael Beck is the other winner. So to Don Ho and Michael Beck, you guys will be getting this program. All you have to do is send me an email to the email address that is in the description of the video, and I will happily send that to you. The Michael and Robert already got theirs today, and they seem very happy with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and stay tuned for tomorrow for the next one.